Hi everybody, Gary Porter again. I'm going to show you a couple of things. I'm going to zoom in on my PC board here, and what I've started stuffing the board. I got to order a lot of parts, but I got some of it stuffed, and I got a couple of transformers down here. This is where the sensing circuits are for the Hall effect and the positions on the coils, and I mean the magnets on the position on the rotor. Hall effect sensors come in. I'll show you those in a minute, and then they go through, and this is the 2000 volts comes into this area, gets switched positive and negative from the high voltage caps into the lower voltage caps, and come in here positive and negative, and they get switched to the motor coils in this environment here. And let's go on to the next step. And I've got the shaft, half-inch shaft comes out of here, and the CD with the magnets goes on the end of that shaft and will spin in this environment right here. And I tried to figure out a way to hook the Hall effects up, and the best idea I could come up with is to get them so that they're self-adjusting on this center axis, which is exactly the same as the shaft coming out of the rotor, and I can turn these back and forth and position them. There's 4 Hall effect sensors here, 2 for pushing and 2 for pulling. As the motor magnets align themselves with the coils just right, these Halls will fire, and I'll get 4 events occurring for each position, and 2 pushes and 2 pulls alternating. And this mounts on here like this with the screws, and the CD is the magnets will spin by this. I've got some connectors at the top up here, and this is where I got the motor coils are mounted in here. They're all in series at this moment. I've got the power coil comes in here, positive, and this is the pickup coil that's related to the positive. Negative power, negative pickup. Now these I can switch back and forth. I can have them be either power or pickup, depending on the power level that you want, whatever. Next thing I've got to do is I'm going to mount the recovery diodes in this area, probably here, and because I want to have them capture the energy before anybody else does. The IGBTs, I have diodes protecting them, grabbing the negative or positive back EMF based on what's going on with the input to the coils. If you put in 100 volts, you know you're going to get about 50 kV spike back, and that'll be reduced a lot simply by the fact I'm sending it through a large diode complex out over here. I'm going to put connectors. So that's where we're at right now, and that's it for today. Have a good one.